Good morning. Welcome back, children. Today we will study the 6th chapter of Class 4 General Science, Plants in the Surroundings and Environment. In this chapter, we will learn about the types of plants, parts of a plant, photosynthesis and transpiration, and plant products. As you all know, children, that without plants we cannot survive. Plants give us oxygen to breathe, food to eat. So we cannot survive without plants. They are the great natural source for the existence of life. All living organisms, they depend on plants for their food and shelter. In this chapter, we will discuss about the kinds of plants, their parts, and what are the uses of plants. Types of plants. Plants are of 5 types: climbers, herbs, trees, creepers and shrubs. Creepers are small plants, shrubs are medium-sized plants, and trees are big plants. Climbers are very small, but creepers are also small, but they are weak plants and they grow along the ground, such as pumpkin, bottle gourd and watermelon. Creepers, they do not need the support of other plants or to stand straight because they grow along the ground. But climbers, on the other hand, they are very weak plants and they need support to stand straight, such as money plant, pea plant, etc. Herbs are small and soft plants, and shrubs are medium-sized plants. Now let us see the parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. The plant has two main parts, the root and the shoot. The two main parts are root, shoot. Now root is not further divided, but shoot is further divided into stem, leaves, flower and fruit. So shoot is further categorized into stem, leaves, flower and fruit. See children, parts of a plant. Flower, this one is the flower. This one leaf, fruit, this one stem, and these are the roots. Now root. There are two types of root, tap root and fibrous root. Now what is tap root, children? It is a single thick root from which some small roots grow. It is a single thick root, from there small roots grow at the end of the stem. This one is tap root. But on the other hand, in fibrous root, many thin and bushy roots grow at the end of the stem, and these are called fibrous roots. The examples of tap root are beans, mustard and mangoes. So plants such as beans, mustard and mangoes have tap roots, but plants such as rice, wheat and grass have fibrous roots. So you understood about tap root and fibrous root? Tap root is a single thick root, but fibrous root, many thin and bushy roots grow at the end of the stem. See, you can easily see the difference between tap root and fibrous root. Functions of root. Roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. So it holds the plant firmly in the soil tightly. Roots prevent the plant from falling down. They take in water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem. So roots take in water and minerals from the soil and they transport it to all parts of the plant. Roots of some plants store food such as beetroot, carrot and radish. So these roots, which are plants, they store food in it, and some examples are beetroot, carrot and radish. Roots hold the soil and prevent it from being washed away by water or wind. So roots hold the soil and thus prevent the plant from being washed away by water or wind. Now let us see stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot. It bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. See here, you can see it is the main part of the shoot and it bears the fruit, leaf, flowers, everything the stem bears. Trees like neem and mango have a thick, hard and woody stem called trunk. So the trees which have very thick and woody stem, it's called trunk. But on the other hand, plants like money plant and bitter gourd have weak stems. They need the support to grow or to survive. Understood, students? Now what are the functions of stem? Functions of stem. Stem holds the plant upright. It carries water and minerals from the root to other parts of the plant. It also carries food made by the leaves to other parts of the plant. Stems of some plants store food such as potato, ginger, onion and sugarcane. So some plants such as potato, ginger, onion and sugarcane, the stems of those plants, they also store food. Now leaf, it is usually the green color and it has a flat structure. See here, you can see a leaf. This one is the leaf plate. This is the side vein and this is the midrib. This is the structure of a leaf. The stalk of a leaf is called petiole. The flat and broad part is called the lamina. Each leaf has a main vein called the midrib. It also has a number of side veins. Leaves contain chlorophyll that helps in making food. So children, leaves contain chlorophyll which help the plant in making food. Leaves also have tiny pores called stomata on their lower surface which helps the plants for the intake and release of air. Stomata helps the plant to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Now children, let us see the functions of leaf. Leaves make food for the plant. Leaves make food for the plant from air, water and sunlight. Leaves are also called the kitchen of the plant. The process of making food is called photosynthesis. So the process by which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Leaves help in the exchange of gases and give out water vapor through stomata. Loss of water vapor from the leaves through stomata in the form of water vapor is called transpiration. So what is transpiration, children? It is the loss of water from the leaves through stomata in the form of water vapor. So what is stomata, children? The tiny holes present on the surface of the leaf. Got it? Leaves of some plants store food such as spinach, lettuce and cabbage. So some leaves also store food and the examples are spinach, lettuce and cabbage.